Colors of Wonder, a magical journey through 10 vibrant shades. Red. In our colorful adventure, let's start with the color red. Look at this vibrant red apple. It's as bright as a stop sign. Blue. Now let's dive into the world of blue. Check out this beautiful blue sky on a sunny day. It's so calm and peaceful. Yellow. Say hello to the color yellow. This adorable rubber ducky brings a splash of sunshine to bath time fun. Green. Look at this lush green grass. It's where playful bugs and tiny critters love to roam and explore. Orange. Ready for some zest? Here's an orange, bursting with juicy sweetness just like the warm sun. Purple. Behold the magic of purple. This regal crown shines with the enchantment of a fairy tale. Pink. Get ready to blush with joy. This cute pink teddy bear is as cuddly as a warm hug. Brown. Time for earthy tones. This friendly brown puppy loves to wag its tail and make new friends. Black. Let's explore the mysterious black. See this starry night sky? It's like a cozy blanket over the world. White. Last but not least, the color white. These fluffy snowflakes create a winter wonderland where stories come to life.